A man will never be a great man without a great woman by his side who always gives support and hope in every step and decision taken. The lack of a partner is something that makes a relationship more complete. Friendship often ends with love, but sometimes love ends not with friendship. Love is not looking at each other, but looking out together in the same direction. Without love, intelligence is dangerous, and without intelligence, love is not enough. A woman will be a perfect woman, both when she is a mother to her children, as a wife to her husband, and as an adult woman who lives her life. All of that happens if the man in her life always gives guidance, protection, and trust for the woman. Even though the body has been separated by death, true love will still be stored eternally in the recesses of the heart. Why are we here, living in the world? Because we are given the opportunity by God to enjoy this short life. True love sees weakness, and then turns it into an advantage to always love.